Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I have a more than 200 days straight 5 to 3 a.m. morning push-up straight, fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And I help people stay consistent. And actually, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 28th, 2025, and this is going to be day 355 of consistently helping people build consistency. So one thing that really helped me stay consistent on doing things like exercising, studying, meditating, yeah, basically you can pretty much apply this principle to literally anything, okay, is to basically have this mindset shift, okay? But calm down, calm down. I'm not just going to be talking about mindset shift, but I'm also going to be talking about how can we practically implement this mindset shift on a day-to-day basis. How can we actually embody this mindset shift? So why do I give practical advices, practical guide? It is precisely because I don't want this video to just be one of those motivational videos that you are going to forget 5 minutes later. Makes you feel motivated for 2 minutes, but then you just forget about it and basically nothing happens. Nothing changes in your life. Here's the thing. If you can actually get something from this video and actually implement it in your life, and you can be consistent at doing something for at least 7 days, well, we will take that as a win. And I'm really happy to help. Okay, so moving on again to the topic, what's the mindset shift? The mindset shift is to simply, okay, change the perspective of, oh yeah, I need to do something into I get to do something. Okay, basically, whenever we are trying to be consistent at doing something, we always tell to ourselves, oh, you need to do 10 push-ups every single day. You need to study for 1 hour every single day. It's always in the frame of you need to do something. Well, I'm not saying that this is a bad approach, but sometimes, or most of the times, our brain might perceive this as a command. And you know what? Our brain doesn't necessarily like to be commanded, even by itself. Our brain, on the days when it's lazy, it might say something like, oh, you know what? I need to do 10 push ups. I need to study for 1 hour. No, I don't really want to do that. I just want to scroll Instagram all day long. And you know what? I don't want anybody to comment me. Well, the thing that we wanted to be changing here is the is the plan itself. Okay, so instead of saying, oh yeah, you need to be exercising for 1 hour every single day, we say to ourselves that, hey, you get to exercise for 1 hour today. You have the ability to exercise today. You are able to exercise today. Basically, we are making ourselves realize that, hey, you know what? Actually, if I just think about it, exercising is a privilege that I can do. And when we just frame it this way, we can think like, oh yeah, exercising is actually a privilege for me to move my body in order to maintain my health, in order to experience life. And if I just think about it, okay, I'm trying to put this in the most respective way. And if I just think about it in a respective way, there are lots of other people out there that wanted the same opportunity that I currently have right now. When we just frame things, when we just frame consistency as something that we can do, that we are able to do, that we get to do, it feels like it is a gift, a really precious gift. And it's going to feel really, really weird if we do not take this gift. Okay, imagine if somebody give you a really precious gift, but you just do not take it. So yeah, basically, if you wanted to be consistent at doing something, have this mindset shift every single day. Don't tell you to do something, don't tell yourself to do something, but tell yourself that you are privileged to actually do this thing. Okay, start small first. I don't know, 5 minutes first, 10 minutes first, and then once you've got gradually adapted to doing 5 minutes of studying every single day, 10 minutes of studying every single day, you can increase it. You can increase the daily bare minimum. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate that. Join our Discord. And also for today's day of Authenticity Post, today's June 28th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a "How did bro fell so fast?" post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.